Hi, I'm Dr. Terra for Smile the Spa. Snoring is a manifestation that something is wrong with your respiratory system or even sometimes with your digestive system. At the Smile the Spa, we can do a consultation for you. That way we can check what is going on there. Not having good respiratory system or having some obstruction make more difficult for you to breathe, and also makes more difficult for your cells and your brain to work properly. Avoid snoring is something that we can help you with. We can create a custom-made respiratory device. That way you can breathe better at night and reduce the snoring. And besides, that can also save your marriage. Remember, smile, we do the rest.